Project management, for those of you who are attending this webinar, you already know this, that projects are important because projects are the lifeblood of development and growth. Projects are how we bring new ideas to life. Projects are how we create new infrastructure. Projects is how we transform organizations. And if you just look at the infrastructure and construction projects, $10 trillion are going to be spent on infrastructure projects this year. The number is increasing, and that is close to about 10% of the world's GDP. From a product development perspective, we are entering the age of hyper competition. Hyper competition means that you have competition not only from people who have traditionally been your competitors, but also from new players from other sectors who are coming at you from all different angles and directions. So what that means is that product life cycles are getting even shorter, and you have to bring out new products to market not only faster, but also more frequently and more of them. Because as these different competitors enter the marketplace, they take away a different slice of the market segment, which means to get the same coverage that you used to have before, you have to come out with a lot more products at any given time. And now the latest buzzword is digital transformation. So that is on the top of CEO's agenda, and a lot of digital transformation is about doing projects. Not only are projects important, and not only is the importance of projects increasing, but project management is also increasing in importance in parallel. So if you look at Project Management Institute, a very interesting number, PMI is the body that provides certifications to project managers. So having a PMI certification is considered to be good for your career if you want a career as a project manager. PMI has $500 million on their balance sheet just from providing certifications. And somewhere between, so numbers are, the reason I'm giving a range is if I look at different surveys, so I try to combine different surveys, different data in terms of how much money are companies spending on project management software as well as project management / PMO implementation services. And that number is a staggering $8 to $10 billion a year. And top of that, because the number of project managers we need is increasing, and of course, old project managers would be retiring, there is going to be a shortage of project managers. And PMI sponsored a survey by Anderson Economic Group, and their assessment is that because of this talent gap over the next 10 years, there will be $208 billion GDP impact in 11 countries. Among them, the main ones are US, China, and India. And it is sad that even after spending all this money, even after project management having been a profession for hundreds of years, even since the introduction of formal project management techniques like critical path method and PERT in 1960s, it has been about 60 years since then, projects are always overdue and over budget. I don't need to even quote statistics. If I pick up construction projects,